Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your badge. So once you have registered for ICSD 2022, you will receive an email that shows you how to access the program. And when you do access the program, you will land on a page that looks like this. And so once you're ready to get started, you'll want to edit your badge. You're going to go up here in the top right corner, click this drop down and select Edit Badge, and you'll see all this information here. The left is where you update it, and the right is the preview that you will see. So first things first, you can add a profile picture. You can change, crop, or delete it. I've already added mine. You can add your first name and last name. These are the only two required fields. The rest of it is all voluntary. Then you'll want to add your role, your title, your affiliation. Next, where you have the chat option, what is new this year is that we have both a text chat function and we have a video chat function. If someone clicks on this, it's not going to automatically open up a window and all of a sudden you're talking to someone. Instead, it's just going to call like you would on a phone or like you would on Zoom. So we do have this option for face-to-face communication, but you do not have to have that. So if you don't want to be contacted that way, you can simply select no, and that will disappear from your name badge. We also have the ability to allow attendees to know when you are online. So right now I have it selected yes, and you can see I have a small little green dot next to my picture because I am online. You can also turn that off if you want to remain more private. And then lastly, we have some social icons that you can add here. So if I were to type in Twitter, yes, a Twitter account, it would pop up like that, and the same would go for all of the other social accounts. They would all get added to your badge. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And yeah, it automatically saves, and this is just a way to more easily interact with other attendees. You can also go back up here. You can edit that badge at any point. If you're getting too many calls or too many chats once the event starts, you can always turn that off. This is also where you can edit your notification preferences, so you can determine how many emails that you're being sent.